Good morning, guys. Again, we're getting ready to do a vacuum on this heat pump. But the vacuum process, it doesn't really matter whether you're doing it on a heat pump or you're doing it on a straight condenser. So this is our manifold gauge and this is our pump, and we're gonna start by making the connections. So I'm gonna I have this black hose. It's actually, a friend of mine told me about getting a bigger hose. It actually helps you get a faster vacuum. So yeah, we're gonna go here and we're gonna make some connections here. So I'm gonna take this hose here and I'm gonna connect this. Oh shoot, hey, yeah, that's when you're trying to do a video and you're doing it all by yourself, I guess. But you connect it to the large hose in the vacuum. And then on the Hvac company, we always use a micron gauge as the best, which just says what it's doing. So we have this micron gauge right here. We're actually using this micron gauge here. Because of the VG64. Okay. And normally everybody have different ways of doing it, but it normally goes here. Right here. See, right here. My micron on the other side of my pump. And I normally, other guys might do it differently, but I normally take this and it goes to the other end of my, right here. Okay. And when I just started this job, it was some of the difficult things. Sometimes you don't understand how to connect this, so I'm just showing you manifold gauge. Let's go and take a look at the pump right here. Make sure your lines are always open, very important. I had a guy scream for me one time. Yeah, I could say I haven't been working with the best guys some of the time, but you have to make sure these lines are open so you can vacuum. And there we go, we're gonna turn this on here, and we're gonna, let me connect my electric 1 minute here to my pump. So we're gonna connect this, we're gonna turn our pump on here. So our pump is running. This is our manifold gauge, and the numbers should change on the gauge very soon. You see, so we're starting off with approximately 2000 micron. We want to bring that down below 500, and then we're gonna come back here and shut off our vacuum line, and then we're gonna see how well it holds. Okay, guys. So we're gonna wait a little bit, and we're gonna come back and see how we're doing on the vacuum. All right. So this is how you set up your vacuum pump when you're doing your evacuation. All right, guys. Take care.